What's going on, guys? It's 6:27 a.m. if you guys can see that on the right hand side. Market opens in about 2 minutes, and I'm going to be going live with the Learn Plan Profit group. So getting ready for the live stream. I have not taken a position just yet. I'm looking at /CL, and it's showing signs of a potential reversal. So I'm going to be waiting for that confirmation, and today's a good day to have a good day. So let's go ahead and have some fun and make some money. Hey, what's going on, guys? So I just finished trading live with the Learn Plan Profit group. It's 7:19 a.m. And overall live stream ended up going extremely well. I made a really good trade on DGAS, and I'll show you that very quickly. So they got to see this all happen live. So I'll click show trades. I bought, so I tend to average up, and then I ended up selling, right? This trade alone made me $1,300, nearly $1,400, so about 1.4% growth within a 10 or 9 minute period. I also took a position on, if I'm not mistaken, UWT. And then on this one, I made a quick $200. Alright, guys, as you guys can see, DWT, I ended up selling a little bit too early on this one. It's still pushing up, still showing signs of an uptrend. /CL looking a little bit more on the oversold side. So again, this thing is still pushing down. So I'm going to set my alerts here. And because it's so, in a sense, a little bit more on the oversold side, has potential for a potential reversal. I'm going to give it a little bit more time before I decide to go in onto UWT. But yeah, just wanted to keep you guys up to date. All right, guys, I'm going to be closing out my last and final trade around this general area. We're up about $2,600 on the day, and it's actually beginning to pull back right now. So looks like I caught that one a little bit late. Yeah, definitely. I was setting up the camera, trying to get everything in frame, and looks like I caught it a little bit late. Looks like it got rejected by the email line. That was my mistake. Still have potential for an overall, again, uptrend, just like it's done before, and for this thing to touch close to or near to the overall middle VWAP, and I plan this thing to be my last and final trade. All right, guys, here we go. We're right around that EMA line. We should see a break around this general area, so I'm going to set my alert. And we're right around 1191, 1192. We'll see if we actually get the break. If you guys can see right here on my right hand side, you should see that it's very close to that specific line. So there we go. Just gonna get my order ready to sell. There we go, pushing up. Boom. All right, so it's right now, nice little push up. Go. We got the bid at 1193. We got the ask at 1194. Not bad, not bad. And still not going all the way through. So it looks like we might be trying to build the support right around this EMA line. So still waiting for higher highs. We're really not getting that higher high. So looks like we might be getting rejected now. I need to get new SD cards because my camera and SD cards continue to get filled, but altogether on the day, you guys can see that right here, ended up selling, and then $3,044. I believe it was UWT that I ended up selling for a profit, and yeah, had a lot of fun. So let me go ahead and show you that very quickly. So on this one, $876. On DWT, made $788, and then on DGAS, I made $1,300. So a lot of fun. All right, guys, quick little update for you. So it is 8:10 a.m. I've been trying to erase stuff from my SD card, so I've been messing with that. But I wanted to show you guys kind of like where it is that I am at for the day. Just closed out all my positions, and as of right now, $3,044, as you guys can see on the right hand side. So $3,044.50 on the day on these 3 series of ETFs, right? Took a total of 19 orders today, right? 19 orders, and then again, my commission is $3 per trade. So much more efficient trading or overall performance in comparison to yesterday, and I had a lot of fun. I'm actually finishing about an hour or an hour and a half sooner than I did yesterday, so we have a lot of work that I have to catch up on. Today's a pretty big day. Tonight at midnight is Ishmael's birthday. We're going to be driving out to Vegas at around 12, so I have about 4 hours until I can wrap up this entire video and catch up on all my work, and then kind of go from there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Be sure to drop a thumbs up. Alright guys, I'm going to update everyone on Instagram, what I'm up for the day, telling them that I'm done trading, and then again, just sharing the overall values of learn, plan, profit. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all ready. Here we go. What's going on guys? Happy Tuesday. Check this out. All together on the day, it is 8:13 a.m. and we have a total of $3,000 profit on the day. Guys, you guys know what to do if you guys want to learn how to trade. Swipe up. That was a little weak, so we're gonna try to do it one more time. That was just not a lot of excitement. What's going on everyone? Check this out. All together on the day, we're up a total of $3,000 profit. It's only 8:14 a.m. Guys, you guys know what you guys have to do. If you guys want to learn how to trade and watch me trade live every single day, join the team, swipe up, and save your spot. Much better.
Hey bro, you want to come check out the truck I just bought?
Yeah. What is it?
That's a pretty good one. Check it out.
Let's go.
I bought a 2003 Silverado SS.
Okay, sweet. Let's check it out.
Bam!
Alright, so how much was it posted for?
It was posted for $10,500, which was already a good deal for the condition and the mileage that it was in.
Miles? How many?
It has 160,000 miles, but that's not even really the issue when buying a collector's truck like this. It's more about the body and the frame rust, and there is absolutely none of that, and the paint is as bright red as it was from the day it was purchased. I think that's a really big selling factor for this truck.
So, bought it for how much?
$9,000.
$9,000, and what do you expect to sell it for? What do you think you could realistically sell it for?
I would say I'm gonna post it at $12,900 and take $10,500, so $1,500. Very cool truck. Get to drive it, get to enjoy it. It was my first truck when I was 16. I've been looking since I was 17 till now to find one in this good a shape. Never been repainted with over 100.
And SS, you had an SS as well?
My first truck was a black Silverado SS.
Nice. Okay, so $9,000 is what you bought it for.
Yep.
You're gonna post it for $12,900?
$12,900.
$12,900 and take anything above $10,500.
Anything above $10,500.
$1,500 profit.
$1,500 profit. Relive my 17-year-old self, and you know, you can't really get much better than that. So.
Yeah, for those that don't know, you guys can Google it. There's a registration refund in Arizona. So let's say that you pay, $500 for 12 months worth of registration. You get a prorated amount of that back after you sell it. So let's say you only have it for like 2 months, then you get pretty much 10 months, in essence, of that registration refund. If you guys did not know, if you guys want to learn a little bit more about how to find the best car deals in your area, you guys know that we do this with the GTR, with the McLaren. I have the Porsche GT3 RS. I bought one of the lowest priced ones in the country. Click the second link in the description. That's going to be so you guys can schedule a call with us, and we can simply just talk about finding better car deals in your area and maybe working with you a little bit on a closer basis. So again, second link. Let's do it.
Super fun, guys.
Again, Wes, are you ready for Vegas?
Super ready.
Yeah?
Always ready.
Let's do it. Are you going to post the truck for sale or no?
Yeah, I'm going to post it, and I can show you guys if you want to see it.
Let's do it.
Yeah. All right, guys, so I posted the Silverado SS again for $12,900. Something that I want to point out with this truck is that I really emphasized how straight and clean the body was. I think that's going to be a huge selling point, and I really showed how clean the engine bay is, but with a collector's truck, I think that is going to be a huge selling point for this.
All right, guys, check this out. So still working on that new little project. The guys came back with some brunch, lunch, breakfast, whatever it is. All right, guys, so we're using this application called Turo, and we just rented out this GMC Arcadia for the Vegas trip.
Let's go.
All right, ready? So the interior doesn't look too bad. Whoa, a little short. There we go. Open up some space for the legs. Got a little Denali. Here we go. So I don't know if you guys have ever used Turo. Again, they're not like paying me or anything like that. It is like an affiliate link. I think you get $25 off your first rental. I think it's a super cool concept. It's almost like Airbnb, but for cars. So anytime that I'm traveling and I want a car and I don't want to use like Enterprise or something like that, even if you're under the age of 25, you could actually use it. So you get $25 off your first rental. Feel free to download the application, and you should see like a little link down in the description talking about Turo to give you that little incentive. So feel free to check it out and let me know what you guys think in the comment section. All right, team, thank you guys again so much for watching. Right now, we're getting packed and ready for our Las Vegas trip. Again, feel free, if you guys know Ish, to wish him a happy 21st birthday. Let me know in the comment section if you guys think that we should make a Las Vegas vlog for the next 3 days that we're going to be there. Again, if you want to stay connected, all my links are down below. All I want to leave you with is, what are you doing today that your future self will thank you for? I'm gonna leave you with a $40 off coupon for the Learn Plan Profit Lesson Library. You heard me talk about them in this video. It's the only group that I work with on a closer basis every single day, Monday through Friday, and they get to watch me trade live every single day. So if you like what you saw, again, I would love to stay connected and work with you a little bit closer. Be sure to click that first link, save that $40 off, and like always, continue working hard, continue following dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. All the links are provided for you down below. Hope I earned your thumbs up, hope you subscribe. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.